Hello, and welcome back to another dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April 27th, 2026, and we're starting to get our cold season stuff put in the ground here. I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B. So this area has already been tilled in the garden. You can see we had our winter wheat crop in here, and we've been busy getting stuff planted in the garden here. Tiger's trying to figure out how to get in. He wants in the garden. It's his first gardening season with us. Well, actually, it's his first gardening season completely because he's still a puppy. So we put our fabric down here, and this is the heavy-duty landscaper's fabric. This area here was already tilled up, and in our planting holes we put the organic garden tone, and that's from Epsima. And we also put in our blood meal, and that's been mixed in here. We don't have Epsom salt this year, so can't put that in. I'll have to get some of that later on. And we have our soil blocks here. What we did with these before we're planting them, we went ahead and we soaked them in water. You can see the standing water over there. And we want to make sure that these soil blocks are nice and wet and moist. So I dug my hole deeper than what this is previously growing, and I'm just covering this up and around here, and we will get these watered then. Whoops. Oh, I got a caught on there. There we go. So the benefits of this, it helps keeping your soil moist longer. It also helps with the weeds, less weeding, more time to get other stuff done. Uh-oh, he's in. Okay, so these are planted, and we're getting them watered here. So what watering does is it helps to get out any air pockets around your plants. It also helps to get your plants off to a good start because our the soil around is dry and the soil blocks were wet, and you want the roots to start spreading out as they're planted in. So definitely you want to go ahead and get your stuff watered. If it's really hot out when you're planting your stuff, you want to water them right away. So we got the cauliflower in here, and we got a lot more of the cold season vegetables to go for getting them planted in.